Welcome to a quiet Highland development where nature leads the way. This development offers 11 private lots surrounded by rolling hills, lush gardens, and pure tropical serenity. A place to build slowly, breathe deeply, and feel the rhythm of Panama's Caribbean jungle. Here, privacy is natural, not manufactured. Each lot offers gentle topography, easy construction potential, and room to grow. Choose the land that speaks to you, hillside, flat, or forest-wrapped. Mature fruit trees and garden crops thrive everywhere. Avocado, mango, cacao, pineapple, breadfruit, and oranges. The land feeds both body and lifestyle. The soundtrack here is birds, breeze, and creek water flowing softly beneath the trees. Wake up each day to nature as your neighbor. Just 20 minutes from Bocas Town, yet worlds away from the noise. A peaceful retreat with road access, a reliable signal, and convenience close enough, but not too close. Drago Village and Starfish Beach are minutes away, offering white sand swimming, local food, and Caribbean color. Return home to stillness when the day ends. This is a development built for lifestyle. Private homes, eco-retreats, and rental cottages all find their place here. Low entry pricing lets you start small or invest across multiple lots. Choose your parcel, your view, your pace, all within 65 hectares of natural beauty. Quiet, safe, and surrounded by conservation areas, this land invites slow mornings, sunset walks, and outdoor living year-round. Contact us today to learn more about available lots and pricing. We'll guide you in choosing the perfect parcel to build, invest, and live beautifully in this serene Highland community near Bocas del Toro, Panama.